Alright guys, so welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Here we are, day 3, and it's raining again, but they did show up. These guys are awesome and they're pretty fast, so by the time I went to Wawa and back, they already had the trusses up. So let's take a look. A lot of progress this morning for bad weather, that's for sure. So there you have it, kicking butt. We'll get back with them a little later. Alright, so here we are, day 3, rain like crazy all day, but the guys did really good worked between the raindrops, and it actually is looking like a building now. So yeah, from pretty good, looking good. It's got windows, got some trim, doors. Yeah, it's like really looking good. You guys do a great job. So yeah. Got the eaves up. I'm really happy with it. Altogether, we got 8 windows. We're gonna have a garage door here, and the other doors there. So, yeah, pretty good. Yeah. So that's it for day 3, and tomorrow we'll get some tin on and be on our way. So, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and appreciate you guys. Have a good night.